channel. So today we're going to be replacing out the fog light bulbs. So one of them went bad, so instead of just replacing the bad one, I've been wanting to upgrade them to something brighter. So I thought I'll walk you through the process of how to access the bulb in the back to replace it out. All right, so in the book it says for the replacement bulbs, you see you got the backup, the fog light, and where the bulbs go, typically we call that the fog lamp down there, right? And they say PS24W. That's supposed to be the bulb number for that one. Now, when you go over here though, for the actual fog lamps, it says you see that little thing right there? That you're able to push this in to get the fog lamps to come in. If you don't have that little thing, you don't have fog lamps, according to this right here, if equipped with fog lamps. And so I have fog lamps down there, and we'll go back into the car over here. And as you can see, I don't have that little thingy down there, nor can you push this in, but I've got the fog lamps down there. Now, some of you may be finding it difficult to find the correct plug for yours. Now, mine is the 2015 Chevy Tahoe LT. Maybe the LTZs are slightly different. Maybe 2016 versus 2015 is different. But for my 2015 LT, what I need is the one that I find, the one that actually fits is the size is H27. And how you'll know it is, you see how it's round for one, and look how close those plugs are up in there. They're very close. You mean not round, but oval shaped. Now that is in comparison to this one right here, which is the 5201, which also is listed as supposed to be for the Tahoe as well, but that does not. The plugs, the 2 points are in the right spot, but you see how that is more of a rectangle? They will not fit on there at all. And I was looking forward to trying these, but these are going to go Back. And then I tried these Phillips, these 9005 CVPS2. These are also supposed to be for the daytime running lights. These are not for the fog lights. What you'll notice on here, if you look in there, it is oval, but look how far apart the plugs are up in there. Let me see if I can do a side-by-side comparison on here. Let's see here. All right, can you see it up in there? Look how close. The one on the right is the one that's 4 hours. Oval, but look how close the plugs are. That's how you want them, the 2 prongs. On the one on the left is not 4 hours. That is they're too far apart. So H27 is the right size, at least for my 2015 Chevy Tahoe LT. All right, so I just threw something on the ground so I won't get dirty. I don't have any tools, won't need any, and I'm not jacking up the car. All right, so let's go over and do this passenger side one first. I have the bulbs here with me, and we'll climb underneath. All right, right now I'm pointing towards the passenger side. As you can see from the looks of that, we are in Wisconsin, the Rust Belt. All right, so you see that opening right there? Right here. There's your wheel right there. There's an opening right here. And let me see if I can get a little light for you. I think I have one in my pocket. And I'll show you clearly where it's at. See it right there. See it? Got the light right there. All right. See the bulb is, I think I took it out earlier just simply because they sent me the wrong bulbs. So now I'll take one of my new bulbs and I'll line it up and snap it in with one hand. There we go. Then I can just put it in. There we go. See that? So, like that. I wonder if I can do it downward, in a downward angle. I don't know. Doesn't seems to like the upward angle right there. And then pull it towards me to lock it in. All right. So that's number one, and we'll go over and do the second one. There's the second one right there. I'll just turn it, take it out. See the old bulb? I'll pop that one out. Ooh, that's falling apart already. Gotta push on the little tab to get the old bulb out. All right. Take my new bulb. Put it in. Lock it in place. There we go. Listen for that clicking sound. Grab it back up. Hey guys, so if that helped you out, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, and definitely hit that subscribe button and check out some of the other YouTube videos I have working on my Chevy Tahoe. Thanks a lot.